guys. It occurred to me I've never done an unboxing video, like ever. So let's try to do one of those. So I've ordered a few goodies here. I'm sure you already know based off the title. New helmet and some straight from China audio system. I've ran this system in my other helmets. This is a slightly newer revision of it, but it's $26.99 on Amazon, and we'll be installing that in the Biltwell Gringo S. If you're watching this, you've probably, like I said, read the title. We're unboxing a Biltwell Gringo S. It should be black. We should have a tinted shield with it that I also ordered, and this is my first Biltwell helmet ever, and it's the first time I've ever bought a helmet that was over like 90 bucks. So see what we get here. We get a massive parts and labor catalog. It's like a mix of a magazine and a parts catalog. So pretty sweet though. Looks like they put a good bit of time into it. That's neat. I don't see many companies doing things like this, so that's cool. Stickers, easy exchange policy paperwork. Time what we've all been waiting for. Helmet itself. Hope the visor's in there too, because it's not anywhere else. Looky there. There's the visor. Helmet is very well packaged. Nice. Cool. The gloss on this thing. Like I said, I got gloss black with I assume that's a carrying bag or something. I got the gloss black with little boxes too. So anyway, I got the gloss black helmet with chrome trim. That's pretty cool. The visor, they're both that way? They are both that way. The visor on this thing, when you flip it down, it actually has a, I don't know, clip. So once you flip it all the way down, you can then snap it closed. So I guess if you're really hitting high speeds, that's cool. I trusted their sizing chart, and let's see how accurate that is. My head is according to the way they wanted me to measure, 22 3/4. So let's see how close it is to actually fitting. If I'm not mistaken, 22 3/4 was actually like right on the line between a medium and a large. So I went large because I definitely didn't want it to be overly tight. Very lightweight as well. I'm kind of impressed with that, just initial impression. Fits pretty good. I may need thinner cheek pads. It's borderline, but an extra large would definitely been way too big. Fits great, but the cheek pads are just a little thick. This is something I've run into on every helmet. I always have to order a set of thinner cheek pads. but I'm pretty sure extra large would have been probably way too big. I'm pretty confident in that. So there we go. Gringo S from Biltwell. Said got the shield, and we got a audio system that we're going to install in it later. So anyway, if you're interested in Biltwell helmets, Biltwell Gringo specifically, here you go. Pretty happy with it. Again, like I said, very lightweight. That is good. I hate to say it runs small. I don't think it runs small, but like I said, I've always had to get thinner cheek pads. The last helmet I had, the Dual Sport helmet that I wear on the KLR and everything, come with 20mm thick pads, cheek pads. I had to order 15s. I sold that helmet to my cousin. He tried it on, was very loose, put the 20mm back in, fit perfect for him. So I guess I just have fat cheeks or something. So anyway, there we go. Not gonna ramble any longer. Let's see real quick what was in this bag. I'm just assuming it's some kind of carrying case or, yep, carrying bag, branded, of course. So anyway, yeah, there. Initial first impressions, very lightweight. Hopefully it's going to be very quiet going down the road based off how it's built. I think it will, because you don't have a lot of extra vents and things like that in it like you get with some other helmets. So again, I think it'll be very quiet going down the road, and I know it's very lightweight, so that's good. And I'll maybe report back after I put some miles in. I'm going to dig through their book and see if I can locate the thinner cheek pads, and I'll probably put an order in for a set of those, and then we'll be good to go. This book's pretty killer. I've not ordered, I don't know if I've ever ordered a product and got such a comprehensive like magazine / parts catalog. I mean, yeah, sure, you order something from J&P Cycles back in the day and they'd send you like a 300-page catalog. This is not that type of catalog. This has got like stories in it. This is pretty neat. I'm actually digging this book pretty good right now. Covers the, I've watched some videos about this, the El Diablo run. So Lane Split Boulevard did that run this past year, so that's pretty sweet to see them cover it here. I don't recognize any of the bikes, but yeah, it's pretty sweet. They put some time into this. If they're willing to put time into things like this, imagine how much time and effort just goes into the actual product. So yeah, initial impression is very good, very excited. So we'll catch y'all next time.